I wish someone told me this earlier, that you can work hard in affiliate marketing for months and even years and still make zero money. Not because affiliate marketing is not working, but because you are doing one or two things completely wrong. If you've ever posted your affiliate link, checked back your phone and saw no clicks, not even a sales, that means you are where I was for 2 years. And what I discovered after that will change how you approach this business completely. Look, if you are starting affiliate marketing right now, there are mistakes that can quietly steal years of your life. Not days, not months, but years. I know this because I have made all of those mistakes myself. And the worst part is that nobody will tell you that you are making these mistakes while it is happening. So in this video, I am going to reveal to you the exact mistakes that kept me broke, stuck and confused, and how avoiding these mistakes can literally fast track your results. So stick with me to the end of this video, because the last mistake is the one that almost everyone is making right now, and it is the most dangerous. So before we hit the ball rolling, hit subscribe and kindly give us a thumbs up. Apparently, it helps the algorithm know the right people to push this information to. And also feel free to share this video to your friends so that they will also be able to avoid these mistakes and continue to aspire and make money online. When I started affiliate marketing, I thought it was simple. Pick a product, share your link and start making money. In fact, that is exactly what all the videos I watched made it look like. But what actually happened when I started? After sharing my links, there was no clicks, no sales, only frustration. I wasn't lazy, I was working, I was learning, I was posting, I was sharing. But the truth is that I was doing the wrong thing. And that is exactly what I want to save you from. Now, let me reveal to you the mistake number one that I made that kept me stuck, broke and confused for years, and that is chasing quick money instead of building a system. Let me be honest with you. In the early stage of my affiliate marketing, I wasn't trying to build a system that will work for me even when I sleep. I was only trying to make fast money. So the question is, what did I actually do that kept me broke, stuck and confused for years? I kept jumping from one product to another. Today, I will be talking about a software that can solve a problem. Tomorrow, I will be talking about a health product. The next day, I will be posting contents about crypto products. No consistency with a particular product, no structure, no long-term thinking. And I know the question in your mind is, what's wrong with that? Well, here is the truth. Affiliate marketing rewards systems, not random efforts. So when you chase quick wins, you don't build trust. You don't understand your audience. You don't improve your messaging. You are basically starting over every single time you promote a different product. And that is exactly why it felt like I was working but going nowhere. However, everything changed when I stopped chasing quick wins and started building a system that will make me money on a repeated basis. That simply means I selected one niche, understand one audience, and solve one specific problem. That is not so fanciful, but extremely powerful. Now, here is the second mistake that kept me stuck, broke, and confused for years that I want you to avoid. And that is trying to sell before building trust. This particular mistake hurt the most because I was doing everything right. I was posting my link, promoting my offer, making content about my offer, and there was still no sales. Why? That was because I skipped the most important parts. That is, people will only buy because they believe, 1, I understand my products. 2, I have gotten results from the products. And 3, I am not just trying to sell to them while I had none of the products. So with that approach, I was basically a stranger asking people for money. And here is the truth. Affiliate marketing is not about traffic. It is about relationship leverage. And when there is no trust, there will be no conversion. Anyway, if you are following me up to this level and still not subscribed, I will encourage you to hit that subscribe button right now because it helps the algorithm. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up because it will also help the algorithm to push this information to the right people that needs them. Nevertheless, to build trust before selling, I started sharing my journey, showing my mistakes and lessons. I also help people with useful tips instead of pushing my links. So I became relatable before I became promotional. And that is when something interesting happened. People started asking questions, engaging with my content, and sending me DMs asking for links. And that is when I realized that the best affiliate marketers don't chase buyers, they attract them. Here is the mistake number 3 that kept me stuck, broke and confused for years that I want you to also avoid. I focus on consuming content instead of executing. This particular mistake is subtle but very deadly. That is to say, you will be making this mistake without realizing you are making it. I was always learning, watching videos upon videos, saving posts and taking notes. That makes it felt productive. But I wasn't actually moving forward. I was stuck in what I call the learning loop. That is the situation where you feel like you are progressing, but nothing in your real results is changing. And here is the truth most people avoid. You don't need more information. You need more implementation. Because in affiliate marketing, clarity comes from doing. Confidence comes from posting. And results comes from repetition, not from watching one more video. To stop making this mistake, I created a simple rule for myself. The rule is, for every 1 hour I spend learning, I must spend 3 hours executing. That is the rule, no negotiation. And that is when things finally started clicking. Not because I became smarter, but because I became active. The truth is, if I could go back and restart affiliate marketing today, I will focus on 3 things. 1. Building a simple system, not chasing trends. 2. Building trust with my content, not focusing on traffic. And 3. Executing daily instead of endless learning. These 3 things requires no complicated funnels, no shortcuts, and no shining tools. The reason I will focus on these 3 things is because affiliate marketing is simple but not easy. And most people fail not because it is hard, but because they are distracted. If this video saved you a few months or years of mistakes, then smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share this information with others to also avoid these mistakes. Because the difference between people who make it in this space and those who don't isn't talent, but distraction. Now that you have it, use it, and I will see you in the next video.